Hello everyone, this is Yasir from Fairfax QA Center. In this video series, we will learn about HPUFT, that is Unified Functional Testing. The old name of HPUFT is Quick Test Professional, also known as QTP. HPUFT is an automated tool that helps testers to execute automated tests in order to identify any error, defect, or gap that is not matching to the expected behavior of application under test. It is mostly used regression and function testing tool. If you want to understand the functional and regression testing, please refer to our slides. In HPUFT, you can record the script and play it back. It supports both web and desktop application as well as you can do the mobile application testing. So let's start HPUFT and learn how to do the function testing of application using HPUFT. Double click on HP Unified Functional Testing icon. Since we are using trial version, click on Continue button. When you would run HP Unified Functional Testing application, you would see this Add-in Manager dialog box. You can select the add-in you want to use for your testing. The selection of add-in depends on the type of application under test. For example, for any kind of web application, select Web checkbox. For the application developed in Visual Basic, you can select the Visual Basic checkbox. And for mobile application testing, select Mobile checkbox. For now, keep the web add-in and hit OK button. This is HPUFT home screen. Before recording the script and actually starting functional testing in HPUFT, first let's get familiar with HPUFT IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. In simple words, the functionality of important buttons, menus, and other controls. In this small panel, what's new in UFT, you can learn about new features of UFT. You can open any existing test or you can create a new test. In the recent solutions, you can open any recently closed solution. And these are the links of some online helpful resources. For example, forum, where you can read the discussion, views, or problems discussed by different users. For example, API testing forum, business process testing forum. Or you can go to the UFT support if you have any issue or problem. Or you can watch the product movies, etc. The next thing we will talk about is Solution Explorer. In a Solution Explorer, you can add, remove, and manage all the resources involved in a particular task. Moreover, the Solution Explorer pane allows users to join multiple types of tests, components, application areas, function libraries, and user code or script files into a single solution. Let's quickly check out the top menus. The first menu is File. In the File menu, you can create a new test, the business component, a new solution, new function library, or you can open any existing test, business component, or solution from your computer. You can close currently open test or solution, and these are the options that are grayed out for now, but you can save your currently open test or solution. The next menu is the View. In a View menu, you can enable and view different panes, for example, Solution Explorer, Toolbox, Output, Active Screen, Data, and Properties. The next menu is Resources, and there is only one menu item, Object Repository Manager. We will understand Object Repository Manager later in the video. You can also find the quick options from this bar, for example, create a new test or solution, or open any existing test or solution. Solution Explorer, toolbox, and properties. So let's go ahead and create a dummy solution. Don't worry, we will not start any kind of testing or recording the script, but we'll only learn the architecture of the solution. Go to File menu, click on New Menu Item, select New Solution. Enter the name of the solution, for example, my dummy solution, and click on Create button. You can see my dummy solution has successfully been created. Right click on my dummy solution, select the Add option, and here you can see we can add new test, new business component, new application area, new function library. Or we can select any existing item from our computer. We will understand the definition of each item later in the video, but right now just click on Add New Test. We will learn about each test type later in a video, but right now I'm just explaining the architecture of the solution. So select GUI test and hit Add button. You can see GUI test 6 has been created in the solution. I promise we will learn about what is GUI test and what is this action means in upcoming videos. Once again, right click on my dummy solution and select Add New Test and click on Add button. And you can see one more test, GUI test 7 has been added in the solution. So I did this whole process to prove my point that one solution can have multiple tests. The next pane we will talk about is Toolbox pane. Toolbox pane contains all the keywords and functions of test or component. It facilitates user to drag and drop objects or calls to functions into test or component. Right now it is empty because we did not record any script. Once we will have a script, you will see this pane in action. The next panes are output, active screen, and data. We will learn about these panes when we will actually start our testing and record the script. The properties pane displays the property of action, component, or test. For example, its name, location, description, and if it is reusable or not. You can see the test name, author, and when it is created and when it is modified, and what is the location of this test in this local computer. So far we got basic knowledge of HP UFT IDE, Integrated Development Environment, menus, for example File, Edit, View, different panes, for example Solution Explorer, Toolbox, Output, Active Screen, Data, and Properties. In upcoming video we will learn how to record the script, understand the script, run the script, analyzing the result, etc.